Watch as the Ahmad Black crevasses the wooden plateau over the sun. This is natural habitat. He goes and strategically grabs the wafer. Damn, he almost got it.
And then he just goes,
surprise! Bitch! Food heroes. Welcome to another episode.
All right, let's start. Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for returning. Let's just dig in. Ta-da! We went grocery shopping today. So
at the supermarket. I'm in the magazine.
When we go to the store, we pamper ourselves with whatever we want.
All right, we're gonna have to work out some elbow space somehow. So, hit this from an angle
But I
or
want to be
something like
close
that.
to you.
So I feel like I'm working with one arm, and you've got all this upper space there.
Here, I can move here.
Come like under you or something. I don't fucking know. Like that? Yeah. Like that?
Yeah.
Like that? All up in your armpit?
Hey! How mushy, behave yourself.
And then the shrimp.
And broccoli.
This
My
is like
5 a day.
the fruit of the sea right here. And scallops. My favorite.
My favorite. And we have a beer sauce here. Beer and garlic butter sauce.
It's a little fish just hanging out under there. I don't know how he's doing. We'll get to him in a minute.
Did I ever cook scallops? Why are they so rubbery?
I don't know. It tastes good to me, so we'll just eat them. If she doesn't want to, I'll eat them.
Okay. Well, guys, this is a super easy meal to make. You just marinate everything, throw it on a steamer. You saw in the beginning. It's like a delight. It's like magic box.
Delight. It's like your favorite
You
word.
open a layer and there is something different. And you open another layer and there is something even more fun and different.
And you open up the last layer.
And there are veggies.
And then there's
Potato.
raw water underneath.
So good. So yeah,
I'm
once
gonna
you
try to get
throw,
over there to those vegetables.
when you throw everything on the steamer, you just leave it. You go back. And we have baby bok choy, by the way, here too. Delicious.
And broccoli.
Broccoli. Steamed broccoli.
So you want some pickle?
Sure. But let me deal with the shrimp first. Well, hope everyone is having a great week, guys. Stop.
Take a pickled tomato.
Thank you. They're so yummy but so salty.
Life just wouldn't be the same if it weren't for salt. Salt and sugar.
Ew.
I prefer salt. Sugar hurts my teeth.
Me too. I like savory more than sweet.
Ow.
But
It usually makes me make a face like this.
did you bit on a lip again?
No, it's like a 5. The sugar gets in my tooth or something like that.
Oh.
Please. It's like pain.
You put in a sauce, baby.
I bet.
Wow.
How's your ankle doing? Is your ankle okay?
It's great.
Is you sure? Cause she ice skates in the summer. It's an off-season training team for
USA
for
to
the
compete
for
in
the
Olympics.
ice skating Olympic regionals. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that. It's not national. It's just like regional. So she trains for them in the summertime though, because it's off-season.
Crickets, crickets, crickets.
Wait, yeah. Cricket, cricket, cricket.
Oh, actually, scallops are okay. Maybe I got the one that was like too rubbery. But I got 2 more that are not bad.
She got the mafia scallops.
Come on,
And the counterfeit scallops.
eat broccoli. It's good for you.
Broccoli is good for your ankle too. Have you guys ever turned your ankle while you're training for ice skating? You don't have to worry about going anywhere because the ice is already there, so you don't have to put it on ice.
Crickets, crickets. I like that cricket situation.
Cricket.
Cricket, cricket.
I think we need to call it exterminator in here. It's getting real crickety.
Crickety
Cricket,
crook.
cricket, cricket.
Crickety crook is the one who lies on camera about Olympics.
Regional Olympics. Hey, they never know. It's like a new thing, you know. There's the Olympics. There's a Special Olympics. There's a Regional Olympics. And then there's
What
the
else?
one where Cushy turns her ankle in the summertime
There is Universe Olympics. You
At a
compete with
mystery-
other planets.
at a mystery ice skating rink.
Well, it's Tuesday over here, guys. So again, eating late.
What time is it? It's like almost 11 o'clock now.
Oh yeah, it's 11 o'clock, guys. We're eating dinner.
This is our life.
Yeah.
But at least we're eating, so.
We work during the day, and then whenever we have time, we go get some groceries. Sometimes we eat out. Let me try this branzino fish. All right, today, guys, we are having black Ahmad tea.
Black Ahmad. I like that. You know, it's like a brand name. Only, I don't get into proceeds.
It's Earl Grey, actually.
Earl Grey.
But it's from black kind.
It's black. It's Ahmad Black Tea, Earl Grey.
You're supposed to hold it like this, babe. So this device, it's called piala. We drink tea in it in Central Asia. I'm sure, like in Korea and Japan, China, but it's not called piala. It's only called piala in Central Asia.
Piala.
So yummy.
And is it called Ahmad Black Tea in other places too?
Da.
So when I go places,
Ahmad chai.
yeah. So when I go places, I can say Ahmad, like the tea.
Da. If you go to Central Asia, people will recognize it.
When I go, not if.
When I go, yeah.
Yes. Just hold it like this, and I'll be good to go, right? Be like, oh, this guy knows what he's talking about.
Yeah, Ahmad, yeah, черный.
Yeah, черный.
Say it again, babe. In the
Я
camera.
черный.
Скажи, я черный, я шоколадный заяц.
Я шоколадный заяц.
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 Я шоколадный
Я
заяц.
шоколадный заяц. I thought you hold it like this.
Oh yeah.
What happened to that?
Yeah.
That rule changed real fast. Just making up on the fly. Like, see how long you can hold him on this hot. See it on his knuckle. See how tough this fool is. I got a lot of fool in me. Like West Coasting, baby.
Right. So we will just dig into this fish, and then we will continue with our desserts, guys.
I was gonna.
But the fish is so good. Branzino fish. Not many bones.
Yeah, Branzino sounds like an old mob family from like the 1940s.
Oh yeah,
or
Italians do it a lot. Actually.
Branzino. What's the name of the fish?
Branzino.
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 Welcome to the Branzino family. Yeah. What's that? Yeah.
It's Jay-Z. Yeah.
No clouds in my storm. Let it
Yeah.
rain. Hey. We Rockefeller. We fly higher than weather. And G5s are better. Umbrella. You remember the words to that song?
Yeah. When it's raining more than ever. Something.
We
Yeah.
shine together.
Me and my umbrella.
Hove.
Can be no clouds in the sky.
Let it rain from the Dow Jones. When the rain clouds on its own. Rayman is back with Little Miss Sunshine. Rihanna, where you at? You have my heart, and we'll never be worlds apart. Gotta do the happy dance for this one. Come on. Read magazines, but you to be my star. Is there rain in the forecast?
Yum. So steamed baby bok choy in a sauce is delicious. I love it.
I think it was 25 when that song came out, and 26 something like that.
Do you like fish babe like this? Or you like it more fried?
No, this fish is great. It's,
I mean, everything is good. Like, it's good for a change.
easy to manage, you know.
Yeah.
You don't need a separate. I still swallowed it. Good bone. Calm down. And it passes.
Again.
And this too shall pass.
And this too shall pass.
Шоколадный.
Шоколадный заяц.
Заяц.
Я шоколадный заяц.
Я шоколадный заяц.
Скажи, я сладкий, как мерзавец.
Я сладкий,
Как
как
мерзавец.
мерзавец.
Yeah.
What am I saying?
You're saying I'm a sweet jerk.
No, I'm not. Is that what I'm really saying? No, I'm not.
You're saying я шоколадный заяц, I'm chocolate bunny. And I'm sweet as a jerk.
Or I'm like Bad Bunny. What we not gonna wait for?
I just want to check.
Or what?
Maybe there's some some things there.
What do you mean some things? Huh? What are you talking about? Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure? You turn the crickets on again?
No.
Alright.
Alright, so we're gonna finish it up and then in 1, 2, 3.
Here with the dessert and the Ahmad Black Earl Grey tea. So a whole lot of family names in one bag. How do you feel about that, Cushy?
I feel great.
All right, back to me.
Well,
So,
don't mind guys that our table looks emptier.
she did a magic trick just a minute ago and the food went away like that, you know.
Yeah.
We
But
were practicing on our food sorcery.
so we
Pretty
have
good, right? You know.
traditional waffle
2,
chocolate cake.
3. Ah, it didn't work for me. It didn't work for me.
Yeah. We have Napoleon cake, Ahmad's favorite from Russian store.
Yes.
And this one, I don't know what it is. It's some cake. Just try it.
Let's,
Okay. Actually, I'll start with it.
Let's throw on our swimsuits and our goggles.
Oh,
and
maybe it's a pancake cake.
dive in.
It looks good.
Look at it. Oh, I can feel the layers crumbling under my spoon. And watch this. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. So good. Oh.
You're gonna cry again? You're gonna cry but from happiness?
Lord Jesus.
It's delicious, huh?
Lord delicious. Oh, Lord Jesus.
That's what I deal with every day. Every day.
I'm trying to do it.
I'm like, you're gonna poke people's eardrums.
Wepa.
This is good.
It's really good.
It's so good,
No, but
guys.
seriously, it's really, really great. When you dig your spoon into it, you can feel the layers like bam, just like that. Look at that.
Stop being freaky.
How beautiful.
Weird. Ahmad.
It's so beautiful. The little cake. All the molecules combine into one delicious concoction.
And I have Napoleon.
Something so small could be so substantial. It's amazing. It's really good. How's yours?
Oh, it's your favorite, Napoleon.
Oh, Napoleon.
It's really good.
Again. Hey, look, I'm holding it right now. It's like it's like a thumbs up. So you could just like go over to Central Asia and look at people like this and be like,
Oh no.
they don't know what the hell you're talking about. Like, okay, looks like I'm giving you a thumbs up. Yeah, once I do visit Central Asia, I won't be over there embarrassing Cushy every chance I get. You know, I will behave myself and learn the local customs and fingers crossed. I'll be some jackass American that goes over there where there's all his entitlement, thinking he could go everywhere and do whatever he wants. No, that's not me.
We go to the village, we'll humble you down.
I think I'll be fine.
Yeah, I think you'll be fine. You're pretty cultured.
Yeah.
And you imitate accents really well too.
Well, that's important when you're trying to speak another language, so
Yeah.
it's not a bad thing.
Fake it until you make it.
Yeah. Salone algerzi.
Огурцы.
Algerzi.
Oh, motherfucker, just... Oh, sorry.
That wasn't an accent. Bleep.
Bleep, bloop,
Yeah,
blah, blah,
censorship.
blah, 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 blah.
Blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna try one of these. Wait a minute, hold on. I'm gonna do my National Geographic impersonation. Watch as the Ahmad Black crevasses the wooden plateau over the sun. This is natural habitat. He goes and strategically grabs the wafer. Damn, he almost got it.
And then he just...
Surprise! Bitch! Dave Chappelle!
And it's getting intercepted.
They're calling the wild, baby! Unpredictable! Holy crap, did you see that? The female Ahmad Black came in and grabbed the wafer.
Sugar is kicking in.
Hopefully you guys are having as equally fun time as we are with this sugar and chocolate. Chocolate. I don't know what's in these cakes. But we feel great.
Well, thank you guys for stopping by, for watching the video. Don't mind Ahmad, he's weird today, but
Not weird. I'm just
at
having
least
a great
he's
time.
full, he's happy, that's all what matters.
Stop crying.
Yeah.
I got in touch with my inner happiness. Anyways, thanks for watching us. We appreciate all the support. And please like, share, and subscribe. And again, this is Cushy. I'm Ahmad. And we are Mushy.
And the food heroes.
No, we are the food heroes.
We are the food heroes. All right, see you guys in the next video.